Istanbul Airport Transfer, everything you need to know. Istanbul is a bustling city that attracts millions of visitors every year. One of the first things visitors need to consider is how to get from the airport to their accommodations. Istanbul has two main airports: Istanbul Ataturk Airport and Istanbul Sabiha Gokcen Airport. There are several options for airport transfer in Istanbul. The most convenient option is to book a private transfer service in advance. This ensures a stress-free journey from the airport to your destination. Alternatively, you can take a taxi, use public transportation, or hire a car. It's important to plan your airport transfer ahead of time to avoid any delays or confusion. Researching the different transfer options available will help you choose the best option for your needs. Whether you prefer comfort, convenience, or budget-friendly options, Istanbul has something for everyone when it comes to airport transfer services. In conclusion, understanding the airport transfer options in Istanbul will help make your trip more enjoyable and hassle-free. Do your research, book in advance, and arrive at your destination with ease.